Shift to smallest gear. Remove the cable end cap. You can reuse the end cap if you want. Remove the securing bolts of the cable. Usually I will cut away the bend area so that you can remove the cable easily. Use good cable cutter for clean cut. Remove the screw cap on shifter for the cable. Push back the cable housing. Inner cable exposed and you can push out the cable. Now you can easily pull out the cable. You may want to keep the old cable for smaller bike. Turn in fully the tension adjuster on the shifter. Remove the ferrules on the both end of the cable housing. Prepare a container to collect the flushing WD-40. Flush the cable housing with WD-40.
Nothing's coming out. Wait for it. Nothing's coming out. Nothing's coming out. Try it, Scotty. Oh, it come out.
Flush until you see a clear WD-40 come out from the housing.
More. Ooh. Sounds like somebody's pee. But that's foamy.
Foamy. It's no longer black, it's becoming white.
This is my manual air compressor. Okay, blow through with compressed air and get rid of all the WD-40 from the housing.
Look, wait, no, wait, go away.
Now it's time to insert the new cable. Insert the ferrule to the new cable. Insert the new cable into the cable housing. I apply Teflon dry loop on the cable. Fix back the cable housing into the shifter. Pull out the cable from the other end. I flip over my bike for easy access to the securing bolt of the cable. Use the stopper to hold up the cage plate. Run the cable correctly on the guide of the derailleur. Pull up the slack on the cable, but make sure the derailleur doesn't move. Now you can tighten the cable securing bolt. Remove the stopper. Now you can try out the gear. If it doesn't go down to the smallest gear, then you have to slacken more the cable. . Use cable cutter for a clean cut. Lastly, install back the end cap. You may need to fine tune with the tension adjuster on the shifter after the few ride.
Thanks for watching.